Hello everyone, so I have Toyota Prius 2010 today and I have oil maintenance required on. So I'm gonna show you how to reset that. All right. So first, hit this power button twice, once and twice, without touching your brake pedal. Okay. And right here, as you can see, oil maintenance required. And right now it's on trip A. If it's not on trip A, you have to use this button, trip button, to make sure it's on trip A. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on trip A. Going back to trip A again. Now turn the vehicle off. All right. And this is gonna be a little tricky because you have to hold km per h and mph button, hit that button, and without pressing the brake pedal, hit power on again twice. It says resetting right here. Okay, now it says complete. It was quick, so successfully reset. Okay, so I have successfully reset the oil maintenance required. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps you to reset your oil maintenance required as well. All right, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.